open your browser and head over to PostgreSQL.org, or I'll also leave a link to their website in the video description. Once you have PostgreSQL.org open, you can simply click on the download. You will have the options to choose your operating system. So I'll go with Windows. So once you open, you have download, click on download the installer. You have this open over here. Just scroll and look for your operating system and the version of PostgreSQL you want. So I want the latest version, so I'll go with 16.3 and I'll select the Windows 64-bit. Then I'll click to download it. Once I have it, so my download should be started. Once you have it downloaded, you have the setup. Just right click and run as administrator. Then click on next. Click on next again. So this is the location. So you can click on next. Then click on next. Next. Then enter the password you want for the Postgres user. So the default user is Postgres and that's the super user. So I'll just go with admin. Then I'll choose admin again. So you can choose a stronger password. Then click on next. So this is the default port. So I recommend you leave it and click on next. Then you can choose click on next again. Next. Then click on next to start installing PostgreSQL. Once you have it installed, you can click on finish, and here we can simply cancel the stack builder. Just cancel it and click on yes. So now over to your Windows lower, click and go to all apps. Then you can scroll and look for Postgres 16. So I'm looking for my PostgreSQL. So this is my PostgreSQL, and click on the PgAdmin to open the interface. So I have my interface open. And in the next session, we'll look at how to create a database and also connect to that database.